Mad run! Young Shericka Jackson's incredible come from behind 100-meter relay victory. I believe Shericka Jackson is going to claim the second place spot in the 100 meters at the upcoming World Athletics Championships in Eugene this month. And the fact is, the world now knows this amazing Jamaican female athlete ever since her performance at the Tokyo Olympics last year, where she anchored Jamaica's 4x100-meter team to victory against some very strong opposition, as well as claiming the bronze medal in the women's 100 meters. But Shericka has been running amazing races long before that. I have already stated that I'm expecting her to run second in the 100-meter sprints, and that's behind Shelley and Fraser Price. But what I want to show you now is what you can expect when she anchors Jamaica's 4x100-meter team at the World Championships in Eugene, just over a week from now. Let's take a quick swing back to the past. We look back to 2012, when she was in high school at Vere Technical in Jamaica, anchoring her school's Class 1 4x100-meter team against top-class local and overseas athletes at the Gibson Relays. At the time, it looked like her school would certainly lose this race badly and not even place in the top 3 spots. But Jackson was not having that. She ran the anchor leg and received the baton way down in 5th place, with her opponents blazing down the track at least 20 meters ahead of her. But a mere 20 meters didn't faze superstar Jackal.
In the zone, disqualifications are immediate.
The ladies settle down into the blocks for the Class 1 girls 4x1s. Homewood, Immaculate, Herbert Morrison, the Angels, Edwin Allen, Vere Tech, St. Jago, and Martinique.
Set.
Herbert Morrison had the fastest time in the nation, but the Flying Angels are storming on the first leg. It's the Flying Angels moving up to Edwin Allen in the sky blue. Great change by Edwin Allen, a grab and a move. Great backstretch. The Angels and Edwin Allen storming the back straightaway. Herbert Morrison far behind. Great second leg by the Angels and by Edwin Allen. Edwin Allen storming. They're the fastest qualifiers. The Angels storm the third leg. It's the Angels coming past Edwin Allen the third leg. It's the Flying Angels from Canada. Nice change there. Slow change by Edwin Allen. Herbert Morrison third with Sedaka Parman far behind. Here comes Shericka Jackson of Vere Tech. She's going into second. She's still coming. Angels lead. Vere Tech fly forward with Shericka Jackson on the line. Vere Tech with Shericka Jackson left the baton behind in Montego Bay, and here holds her nerve and top speed. 45.5 for Vere Tech.
She got the baton in 3rd or 4th place. And she watch here, let's see. Coming around on the final changeover. Angels out first. Edwin Allen second. Looks to be Homewood third, Vere 4th. Shericka is nowhere in the picture here. It's Angels, Edwin Allen, Homewood. Athlete there from Angels pouring. And somewhere just about shortly, we'll see Shericka coming into the picture, storming all the way through, indicating to us, this is how you should run the anchor leg. And the crowd responding to the replay on the big screen here in Kingston in the stadium.
A big anchor leg by Shericka Jackson from 5th to 4th to 3rd to 2nd, and with space running out, keeps on driving all the way to the line and leans in. Vere Tech win, 45.5.
She ran a seemingly impossible race to not only catch the competition, but blaze across the finish line in the number 1 spot in an amazing win that still amazes me today. That gives me the confidence to feel that Jamaica's women already have the 4x100-meter gold medal in the bag, as long as Jackal is on that anchor leg.